to my channel. It's your girl Ujeri. Yes, I did this look on my channel. If you want to see how I shoot this look, I'm gonna link the video down in my description. But yes, so today I am up for you guys. Like, I just want to come here and tell you guys some cute stuff about Nigeria. I'm gonna be telling you guys things Nigerians love doing, like things they love and things they love doing. First thing first, I'm gonna be talking about, first off, let me just clear the ground. Nigerians are great and interesting people. Like, despite the way they normally criticize their country, we actually have a loving heart. So first one I'm gonna be talking about is traveling out. Like, Nigerians love traveling out. Like, they just feel like in Nigeria, yeah, we can't make it. In Nigeria, yeah, there are no greener pastures. If we have to go out, we have to go outside the country to actually see the greener pastures. Like, Nigerian love, like, once you just hear like traveling out, like what, like there was this time I watched a documentary on Nigerian traveling out. It was basically on Benin, where the lady was traveling out to America, I think so. Yes, it was the US. She was traveling to the US and she had to like go through this process of like swearing, and they had to take off her nails, her pubic hairs and all of that. Like, she had to swear that she won't leave the person she's going to work with, and she went there to do prostitution. Like, that whole story was so touching. Like, the documentary was so touching. Yeah, Nigerians love traveling out. Like, when you just hear traveling out, like, I'm going to take you out, like I'm going to take you out to this country, like, it's something. So second thing, Nigerians love work-free day. I don't know about you, but I used to love them when I was in school. Like I love work-free day. Like, it's just like, today is public holiday. Sorry, my hair was like coming out. Today is public holiday. They call them public holiday. Like, Nigerians love public holiday. Like, they can party because there's a public holiday coming. Like, the average Nigerian loves public holiday. I won't even lie. Like, even me, I fall in that category as well. The third one, Nigerians love shortcuts. If you know you're among those people that love shortcuts, please wave your hand. Wave your hands in the air. Wave your hands in the air. I swear I love shortcuts. Like, like this one, if you're a Nigerian and you know that, like, you do not love shortcuts, please comment down below. I would love to see you. I would love to know you. Like, I don't know, but Nigerians love shortcut, like a quicker way to somewhere they are going to. Me especially, I love that. While I was in school, I trekked down to school and all of that. We look for the best way, like the shortest best way to go to school and all of that, especially when we're not taking bike there. So yeah, Nigerians love shortcuts. Nigerians loves showing off. Jeez, like, Nigerians love showing off. The average Nigerian loves showing off. They love to show you everything. Like, Nigerians are very passionate about showing off their possession and their achievement. In case my face is not directly to the camera, I'm looking at the mirror just to give myself some vibe. Yes, Nigerians love, like, they love showing off. Like, they get a new phone, and like there was this time I got a new phone for myself. I was like, while we're in school that time, I would just bring the phone out and be forming vibing. Like, I'm the only one that have screen touch and all of that stuff. But it wasn't obvious though, but I know what I was doing. I was showing off. Yes, Nigerians love making money. That is so true. The average Nigerian person, like, Nigerians are hard worker, but the motive behind them working hard for the average Nigerian is working hard to make money. Like, they work hard for money. They work hard for money. They work for money. They work for money. They love making money. And I know most people have heard about the Yahoo stuff going on, rituals and all of that stuff. That is because of money. Like, they like making money. That is because the love of money, and the love of money is the root of all evil. So what do you expect? They will go to the length. They will go to the length just to make money. Yes, Nigerians love cheap and free things. Jeez, like, okay, first off, I don't even know if there's anybody that don't like cheap things or don't like free things, but Nigerians, especially Nigerians, like the average Nigerian, loves cheap things. Like they love cheap things. Like maybe it's free, it's for free. Yes, give us like what? Like I'm serious. They really do love cheap things. I'm a Nigerian at a point. Yes, I do. Like who doesn't like free things? Tell me. Who doesn't like cheap things? Yes. Especially when it comes to makeup, for me, I love affordable makeup that are good, but there's some affordable makeup that are really not nice. But Nigerians, my nigga man, Nigeria love cheap and free things. I'm not even gonna lie. Yes, that is for that. And Nigerians love partying. Hey, Wambe. Nigerians, if you know what's going on, like all the bags, the sugar, the makeup, the Wambe, the jollof rice, and all of that good stuff. Like Nigerians, yes, these are some interesting stuff that Nigerians love doing and they love. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys and catch you guys in my next video. All the links of some of my old videos are going to be in the description bar. I hope you guys check those videos out. And yes, I love you more, but God loves you most. Peace, y'all.